Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Travel and Jobs, and hope you are doing great. Today, I'm gonna tell you how you can get a UK seasonal work visa in 2023 which replaces the Tier 5 temporary work visa. The best thing about this visa is that there's no age limit. You don't need an English language proficiency. You don't need any degree, and even freshers can apply. Every year the UK government gives out 30,000 seasonal work visas, and 10,000 more will be provided if there's a need for them this year. You can earn anywhere between £27,000 to £44,000 in the UK, and your minimum wage per hour will be £10.42. This visa will help you to have work experience in the UK, and after it expires, it will be easy for you to move to other countries like Canada, USA, Australia, etc. and work there. The visa is for a 6 months period. If your sponsor agrees to bear the cost of everything, you won't have to pay the visa or application fees. You'll get free travel accommodation and even food. In this video I'm going to tell you everything about the UK seasonal worker visa, the jobs you can apply for, the salary and benefits you'll get, the required documents needed, how much it will cost you, total processing time, and a demo demonstration on how to apply for this visa as well. So do watch the video till the end, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos coming up like this one. A seasonal worker visa is designed to allow overseas nationals to come to the UK to undertake temporary work in specific sectors. The seasonal worker route has now been expanded to include roles in the poultry production sector for the period from the 18th of October to the 31st of December each year. The change has been made to help support the sector during a peak seasonal demand period in the run-up to Christmas. The expansion also sets specific salary requirements for poultry workers to ensure that they are paid a wage in line with the requirements under the skilled worker route. Below, we provide a brief recap on the seasonal worker route, including eligibility requirements for both the visa applicant and their sponsoring employer. Overview of the seasonal worker route. You can apply for a seasonal worker visa to come to the UK and work in horticulture for up to 6 months, for example, picking fruit and vegetables or flowers. Poultry from the 18th of October to the 31st of December, in the same year. In order to apply, you must have a job offer from an approved sponsor in the UK and meet the eligibility requirements for the route. A seasonal worker visa will allow you to work in the job described in your certificate of sponsorship. You can also study in the UK whilst you are here. As this route is designed to facilitate temporary work, you cannot take a permanent job or work in any other job that is not described in your certificate of sponsorship. You also cannot bring family members to the UK with you or get public funds whilst you are here. Applicant eligibility requirements. To be eligible to apply for a seasonal worker visa, you must be 18 or over at the time you apply. Have a certificate of sponsorship reference number from your UK sponsor. Have enough money to support yourself in the UK. You'll usually need to have at least £1,270 available, unless you're exempt. How to apply. You can apply for a seasonal worker visa up to 3 months before the day you are due to start work in the UK. This date is listed on your certificate of sponsorship. If you are applying for a poultry seasonal worker visa, you must apply by the 15th of November each year. You can apply for horticulture seasonal worker visas at any time of year. You must apply online for a seasonal worker visa. As part of the application process, you will need to prove your identity by either attending an appointment at a visa application centre to have your fingerprints and photograph taken, using the UK Immigration ID Check app to scan your identity document. For the first step, you need to make sure that you are eligible to apply for the visa. To be eligible, you must be from a country outside of the UK, have a job offer from a UK employer, and be able to prove that you will leave the UK after your visa expires. The second step is to gather all the necessary documents. This includes a valid passport, a job offer letter, proof of accommodation, and proof of funds. Next, you will need to complete the online application form and pay the application fee. The application fee is £259. During the application process, you will also need to provide biometric information, such as your fingerprints and a photo. Once your application has been submitted, you will need to book an appointment to provide your biometric information. You can do this at a convenient location in your home country. Finally, you will need to attend an interview, either in person or via video call. During the interview, you will be asked questions about your job offer, your accommodation, and how you plan to support yourself during your stay in the UK. That's it. Once your application has been approved, you will receive your visa, and you can begin preparing for your exciting new adventure in the UK. And this is all you need to do to get your seasonal worker visa in 2023, guys. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this one and turn on the notification icon for more videos coming up. We will see you in our next video.